Strong Japan earthquake hits near Fukushima nuclear disaster zone. The quake, measuring a 5.0 magnitude, struck at around 11:30 p.m. local time. Strong earthquake has hit near the nuclear disaster zone of Fukushima in Japan. The quake, measuring a 5.0 magnitude, struck at around 11:30 p.m. local time, around 2:30 p.m. UK time. It is not believed any major damage was caused in the tremor and no tsunami warning has been issued. Fukushima is the capital city of Fukushima Prefecture, Japan. In 2011, the region was subject to a natural disaster triggered by a major earthquake which caused a 15-meter tsunami. The tsunami disabled the power supply of 3 Fukushima Daiichi reactors, causing a nuclear accident on the 11th of March.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to us on YouTube. If you like, donate to us, visit home on the page PayPal.